Welcome back to our channel, where we will be sharing with you the ultimate guide to delicious bratwurst recipes. Bratwurst is a traditional German sausage that is loved by many for its bold flavors and versatile options. Let's dive right in and discover some mouth-watering recipes that will surely impress your family and friends. First on our list is the classic bratwurst with sauerkraut and mustard. Start by grilling your bratwurst until they are perfectly browned and juicy. Then, top them with tangy sauerkraut and finish off with a generous drizzle of mustard. This timeless combination never fails to satisfy. Next up, we have a twist on a favorite bratwurst sliders. Simply slice your bratwurst into bite-sized pieces and sear them in a skillet until they are crispy and flavorful. Place each piece on a slider bun and add your favorite toppings like cheese, onion, and pickle. Perfect for parties or a quick and delicious meal. If you're looking for a hearty and savory dish, try our bratwurst skillet with potatoes and onions. Start by sauteing the bratwurst in a pan until browned. Then, add in sliced potatoes and onions, and let them cook until tender. Season with herbs and spices, and you will have a satisfying one-pan meal that will warm your soul. Now, let's explore a unique and flavorful recipe: bratwurst and beer cheese soup. Begin by cooking your bratwurst in a pot until fully cooked. In a separate pot, melt butter and whisk in flour to create a roux. Slowly pour in beer and chicken broth, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens. Add shredded cheddar cheese and stir until melted and smooth. Finally, cut the bratwurst into bite-sized pieces and add to the soup. Serve with crusty bread and enjoy the rich and indulgent flavors. To wrap things up, we've shared 4 delicious bratwurst recipes that are sure to satisfy your cravings. Whether you prefer the classic combination of sauerkraut and mustard, the bite-sized sliders, the hearty skillet meal, or the creamy beer cheese soup, bratwurst is a versatile ingredient that can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes. Happy cooking!